Bushcraft Barry is going to give you a tour of his van, and you better be nice. You won't be nice and I'll turn the comments off.
So here we are by the river. This is my Fiat Doblo 1.3 turbo. There's 5 doors, 2 sliding doors either side and doors at the back, so plenty of access. The far end, that door usually stays shut. Access is from this door by the electrics. Tow hitch, roof rack. Thinking about
we'll get the inside soon.
Yeah, thinking about a roof tent, but don't see the occasion for it at the moment.
So what about your installation in your van?
Right, I haven't finished yet.
What?
As it's summer.
Oh, you haven't finished this?
No, I've got...
I'm sure it's been like this for 2 years.
No, yeah, that's what I mean, I haven't finished it. We haven't had any cold winters. Right, that's a triple layer of reflective, and then there's a waterproof moisture barrier, and that is then some carpet, and it's one of those rugs that you put on the floor for having a picnic. So I had 2 of those.
Normal stuff this side.
And then normal stuff there, and then I got another one of these then to finish this door, and then I'll finish all this door off because I got to do this properly. Okay, just to let you know, there was a sticker there, but some idiots put a sticker on which was not compatible with what we do.
That wasn't me. Before you start judging, that wasn't me.
You weren't there. Temu, more coming from Temu. You've put some on your bus as well. This is what we've
it's your logo.
Put as a logo. Again, another camping sticker, galloping whip sticker.
What?
Gallivanting whip sticker.
Oh, you didn't say gallivanting right then.
Didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh well. My sticker
One life,
again.
live
One
it.
life, live it.
Live, laugh, love.
Enjoy it. 5-speed gearbox. It's also very modern, it's got reverse. No aircon. 136,000 miles on the clock. Serviced as and when.
Full service history, yeah?
Two oil changes a year, whatever the mileage. The next one is coming. It is 2 oil changes a year. Always change the oil.
New seat covers?
Yeah, new seat covers. Temu, thank you very much, Temu. Stage 1 snow tyres, but they're not for snow, they're for going on grass, which helps. And basic road tyres on the back as she's front wheel drive.
Yeah.
Well, when I put everything in, I didn't know where it was. So if I got a list, which I've taken a photograph, if I need it, I know where to go and get it.
You've got a photograph of the locations of the stuff is?
But yeah, oh no, look.
I
photographed my notes. Drawers are on a safety clip and they're packed. Top one.
Where'd you get this cupboard from?
Second drawer.
Is that cooking stuff?
Cooking stuff, power, yeah, lots of things.
I like the clips actually. What's a clip on the side there?
Third is my double battery pack that goes with the 3rd battery pack. Plenty of power.
Yep.
4th one, packed with all bits.
Yep.
I can give you a list now.
No, we'll take your word for it.
Paracord in case we need it. Dog for the winter. Walkie-talkie. No, that's a radio. Walkie-talkie charger. And my power points for lights and all to go into the tent. Overhead storage for all the bedding. That stays there permanently. It's all ready in the tent. And then that stays up out the way when the dog jumps in here. Throughout the week, this is a works van. As you can see, you've got chainsaw, power pack, just happen to have bits.
Like them stickers.
Yeah, good stickers. Okay, two lots of, from work.
All organised.
Pens, tools, laser levels, drill bits, drill saw, bushcraft.
What's in the bushcraft then? Come on then.
Oh.
Show us. Oh.
That's a full tang knife for...
A full tang?
Full tang.
All right.
Electronic lighter. Blowing
air into fires.
To get it going. Bits and pieces for bushcraft. Gloves. lights.
What are they?
Pushing
USB
lights. USB, brilliant.
Well, you charge them, do they, or they plug in?
Just plug into any USB and it's quite bright.
Oh.
There's one on the radio, look.
Oh, right there.
Fuels for
Lighting the fire.
cooking.
Lighting the fire.
My petrol or diesel cooker. My coffee. Sorry, without my coffee, I got my coffee cups.
So look, bring them down. Coffee cups.
Yeah, in case I forget a coffee. Lots of things up here.
You've got your own mug. You've got your own merch mug.
Oh, games. Oh, they've just fallen out.
Careful, they look sharp.
Games. Ball for the dog. 35 inside, 30.8 outside.
Does that come with the vehicle, or have you installed that?
That was good old Teemu again.
Where does the cable go?
Out the way to the there.
Oh,
Like.
bestow southern gravy.
Yeah, well, you've decided to change the food today.
Goes through. Oh, you've drilled through the seal. And you've come out here. Oh, you've got on the glass. Oh yeah.
Yep.
That'd work. Have a look at your electrics then.
Electrics, okay, simple electrics on that one goes to the
Heater.
diesel heater, 2 spare. We got USB chargers, that tells you your voltage.
I can see you run into the comments about Barry's electrics. Don't worry, it's completely safe, isn't it, Barry?
Yep.
Totally safe.
Actually, there is a switch which is from
Split charge relay.
a split charge relay from the battery on a 50 amp fuse. That comes through with quite big cables, and I have not put a switch on because these only work on your ignition, so it only charges
So when you plug that in,
when you plug that in and the engine is running, so you
connects the
can't drain your battery when you switch off. It's dead. Batteries, okay, they're 8 amp hours,
Nope.
80 amp hours, and there's 3 of them, this one and the 2 in the cabinet, so that's a total of 40 amp hours.
have you run out yet?
Never. But then, even in the winter then, we also got USB heating pads that goes inside your sleeping bag. So if it's absolutely brass monkeys, that's okay. I can keep myself warm.
Where's your dead switch going?
There.
Hang on, where's that switch going and what's that doing?
Right, that will, that kills.
That's not killing the whole battery, is it?
No, it stops it going to the control panel. So if I switch that off, I lose everything to the control panel.
That switch ain't big enough.
Yeah, but it's only on the earth, and both leads
Yeah,
go
but
to
still,
the earth.
it doesn't work like that.
Okay.
You'll have the diesel heater going through that switch.
Yeah, it is, but I got a new switch coming.
Yeah, you know,
Actually, I can
I
show
just
you.
told everyone the electric's nice and safe.
Okay, well,
you
yeah,
can fit a big
forget
lamp
that
switch
then.
in it.
Okay, lighting in my van, start at the front.
Oh.
Okay, that's because the doors are open. That's the off switch completely.
Interior light.
Okay, if I got ignition on, I can turn the radio on,
Well, that's for them USB lights.
and I got a USB light there, which will do that if I need
yeah.
it.
That's cool, little LED one.
Yeah, and we got a packet 10 for Teemu again. Okay, if we go round to the back now. Okay, lighting. Good old Teemu again, all the way around here. And then I got a night light at the back, which is green.
Green.
Okay.
They're truck lights, aren't they?
Okay.
They're off a truck.
Okay, that will go into there. Okay. Wind it on. It's not working now.
Probably something to do with your wiring.
No, there's your light. Right, that's on, okay. If I take this then out of
FM transmitter.
the FM transmitter, put it in there,
Yeah.
then I could use
Oh, your little LEDs.
the little LEDs that would fit.
It's got lighting on a cable.
Lighting on a cable.
If you don't want to get to work, you have to be on my team.
This is my bedding, which is a fold-up bed. The bed that was in the back wouldn't fit unless I put the front seat forward. but I found this in Carew Market, brand new. It's got a padding on. I've got extra padding from various roll mats and all. It's very comfortable, and that will fit against the back door. On that side, no bother at all. And underneath that then you have quite a bit of clearance, about 10 to 11 inches, and all my plastic containers will fit underneath.
Extra storage underneath the bed then?
Extra storage, and with the back ratcheted up against the back door, you can fit 2.
You can sit up as well, like a sofa then?
Yep, to watch telly, which will wrap along behind this. I got a 20 litre can, which I fill, and then I can decant, or it goes into a teamy one, which then has a nice one to pour off, and then
I like your table.
Put it there, and that sticks there like that. And this is my breakfast go-to coffee. Okay.
Who needs a tap inside, eh?
Because I like my breakfast coffee. And see, and a quick table, 2 sofa plastic there with a piece of timber.
You keep them rolling off your sofa home now,
on there, yeah. Clipped on there, and then I can stop in a lay-by somewhere and make a cup of coffee. Shower, battery operated. Oh no, it's not. Do you know what that is?
What?
That is a, if I need to transfer anything, siphons.
What are you siphoning out?
Huh?
Why are you bringing a siphon camping?
Well, you want to get water from one to another, or a pump, save a pump. Shower, electric shower, all built in.
Built into what? Oh, the motor's built in the shower. Go on and get out then.
If you go to places where there's none, leave that on the front of the van. You got 12 litres of water, which will warm up.
I think the dogs had more showers than you.
Yeah.
We use that when you give them a trim, but I haven't seen you use that shower before, Barry.
That plugs in, off and on, variable.
That's on off as well.
Off and on, variable, and of course then you've got your pump. So everything's good to go. Bucket.
Nice. Save space. Flat pack.
Chopping board.
Chopping board.
Wash.
Sink. Oh, does that thing pop out? So you've got a sink as well?
Yeah, that's the drainage.
Drain hole. Ah, tiny.
I'll show you what I do now if we need to cook. Obviously I got my gas, which fits.
I mean, it's not obvious now. What do you mean gas? Gas canister.
Gas ring.
Right. Oh, on the front. I see it. Yeah.
It fits on the
yeah,
in here on the tray, ready to go. Then that is petrol, pressurized. Good bit of kit.
That is actually a good piece of kit. Yeah.
Okay, and
so
then
that's petrol, yeah.
Yeah, and then I got the alcohol transient.
What's it called?
Transient. And that's quite good for just a cuppa if you're hiking. You also got
an inverter.
your power inverter, which is 500 watt. I need a little bit bigger because I've just bought a 600 watt electric kettle. So that would save me doing that. Those 2 out. You've got to let it warm because it's going to heat the gases to make it. That's burning off now.
So that's burning off the liquid. Well, obviously the
what
vapor.
I put there to start with. No.
So that's just petrol, is it?
That's just petrol. It should go quickly in this weather.
So how does it work then? The heat
is
like pulls a vacuum on
that. You
pressurise the cylinder.
See that? See the bar going through there?
Yeah, that gets heated.
That it gets heated to a gas.
And turns into gas. And that's your pressure pump there, is it?
That's your pressure pump.
Ah, yeah, I can hear it now.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's off now.
That's the power.
Keep it going, keep it going.
Okay. I use a 8 kilowatt diesel heater. You can't leave it running because it's too hot on the lowest setting. It's even got a mountain setting, which reduces the amount of fuel, but it's still too hot.
Alpine mode.
Yeah, alpine mode.
A sleeping bag and USB heating mat, you don't really need it.
No, but
they are good piece of
it's
kit,
nice
though,
for
they?
the air.
I think they're 80 quid, that is, 80 quid.
Yeah, and that will warm the van up before you drive off anyway.
It's good, yeah, you got remote control as well, haven't you?
Yeah, and so I have in the past sat in bed, turned the radio on and then turned the heater on.
Yeah, so you put the remote control in your house, turn it on, and then when you get in the van in the morning, it'll be nice and warm.
Yeah, I do that at home when I go
exactly,
to work.
when you go to work.
Because I live by the river, it does freeze and you get a lot of heavy frost on the windscreen.
Yeah.
I'll just click it on and away she goes and you're not draining your battery or nothing.
Right, come on, Barry, 2 points behind. Come on. Yeah!
That was my tour of my van. Don't forget, throughout the week I use it for work, I use it for camping, and also it's where my guard dog is, because Neil has been in some of the videos and he's a lovely dog, but this is his van. All right, Neil.